Yes!
Papanoorin natin ang full performance ni Myrna Esguerra for Miss International 2025. So currently ay opening na, opening numbers as usual, sinusuot nila yung kanilang national costume.
Philippines!
Ayan.
Yes!
Very clear and sobrang proud na, 'di ba? Hindi lang kasi binanggit nila doon sa introduction yung kanilang kung saan sila nanggaling na city or province, and hearing, Abra.
Yes.
Nakakatuwa. I'm happy for Abra, 'di ba? That they're there in the Miss International.
And tsaka ang ganda tignan ng niya, national costume.
So ayan guys, currently ay ina-announce na ang top 20 finalists and semi-finalists pa pala.
Philippines! Yes!
Yes!
Siyempre.
Claim your spot, Philippines! So, ang ganda.
Uy.
Oh!
Wala.
Oh my gosh! Baka it's a sign! Wala!
Ay! Besties?
Oo. Bait no ni Colombe. Lumabas sila according sa order kung sino yung naunang tinawag sa top 20. Currently si Bolivia, next sa si Philippines. And I'm confident with this round kasi one piece. Ang gandang tignan ng katawan ni Myrna for one piece. Ayan na siya. Ayan.
Wow!
Di ba?
Ang
Lapat
ganda.
na lapat yung sa kanya.
Yes. Very graceful lang talaga.
Yes, ganyan.
Ayan. Barbie! Ganda ng smile niya.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Go Myrna.
Nilakad niya talagang
Pang-international talaga. You don't have to be that fierce. Currently ay si Colombia na, and then the next one would be letter C ba yun? Bolivia. And then si Philippines na. I'm so excited for this. Kasi one of her strength is the evening gown. Kasi ang ganda rin talaga ng katawan niya, di ba?
Yes.
Like,
and how
yeah.
she walks, how she carries.
she carries the gown. It really says it all.
Wow. Yan na.
Ayan na, nung kulay kaya. Ayan na, pink!
Wow.
Ayan!
Pearl,
Ang
tsaka pink.
ganda.
Wow.
Perfect. Very
flowers,
princess. Ano, uy!
Oh, Barbie talaga siya ba?
As in, ang nawawalang parte ng Disney princess.
Hala, kaganda ng Jusa.
Ang ganda niya. Nooy. Wow!
Wala kayo
Pamatay
doon.
ang ngiti. Oh my gosh, dalawa na lang for the top 10.
Philippines na. Yes!
Oh my gosh,
Yes!
top 10. Myrna, oh my gosh,
Galingan
I love
mo na.
you. I love you, Myrna.
Ayun na.
Being the only one among my 16 siblings to finish college is one of the proudest and grateful moments in my life. And to pay my community forward, I created my project, Dream Readers in the Philippines, focused on quality education and partnership for the goals, which are SDG 4 and 17. Because I hope to see every children stand tall like Mount Fuji, and to ensure that no child will ever suffer the same way that I do.
Very heartfelt.
心から感謝してます。
Oh my gosh,
Grabe.
Myrna, let's go!
Very,
Very personal, very touching.
sincere, heartfelt.
Yes. That's
Goosebumps.
Myrna. Oh my gosh! Lasang natawag sa top 10.
Top 5.
Oh my gosh. It's top 5 finalists na. Mapasok ng Philippines.
Philippines,
Kahit
please.
runner-up lang, we're happy for that.
Yes!
Oh my God!
Yes,
Myrna,
Bak.
this is it!
Feeling ko kaya niya pang kunin yung corona.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to support her since Bini Bini. My gosh, Myrna, I love you.
question and answer round.
So,
where
ayan,
our
we're the
top
final
5
Q&A
finalists will
na for
each
the top
answer
5.
the same question.
First finalist. Oh my gosh! Runner-up si Myrna. Happy na doon. But we will be happier kung siya yung mananalo.
Kaya niya yan?
If you were to describe your entire Miss International experience to your family and loved ones, what would you tell them?
Oh my gosh!
よろしくお願いします。I will tell to my mama that I just gained 79 more siblings among my 16 siblings back home. Miss International taught me to be selfless, and it taught me the value of having friends from all around the world. And I am so grateful for this opportunity because I learned to help everyone in here,
Which is true.
everyone who needs my help. And above all, it made me a better person, a human that cares. Because I was able to create my project. And with that, it is my tribute to all the people who helped me. Because thank you so much.
Oh my gosh!
Grabe.
Sana inan niya na doon sa tribute, but
Yeah.
nonetheless,
Nonetheless, very
Yeah.
personal, very real story, honesty.
and hindi siya yung scripted keme-keme.
Yeah.
Talagang mafe-feel mo yung sincerity nung kanyang sagot.
So now,
Ayan na guys, so we're so happy we're down to the crowning of the new Miss International 2025. Fourth runner-up is... What?
Why?
She deserves a higher
Okay.
placement, pero we're happy na nakaabot siya sa
Top
top 5.
Now I'm rooting for Colombia, the
Wow.
bestie.
Yes, Colombia.
Pero happy pa rin ako for Myrna. Such a great performance.
Big achievement. And 'di ba, parang inano lang natin dati is kahit na mapasama lang siya sa top 20, yung inano natin hindi siya mababackstage, pero 'di ba, she gave her all and she performed beyond our expectations. So, maging happy lang tayo doon. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good night. Bye!